Hey, it's Brad, and as we've been watching this crisis unfold in Ukraine, from space, from my angle, we're actually starting to see this have a role in an impact in the way we operate in space. When we go back to the 70s, height of the Cold War, we actually had something called the Apollo-Soyuz mission. The USSR, or Russia, and NASA, the Americans, worked together. They joined their two capsules in space. These two great competitors literally shared every detail of their capsule, all their secrets, working together to have a big peaceful moment in space. And lots of people point that space has had this great way of uniting, getting above our earthly conflicts. But with what's happening in the Ukraine right now, we're starting to see this big divide open up in space. Roscosmos, the Russian space agency, has announced they will no longer work with ESA, the European Space Agency, to launch missions. They actually have built ExoMars, a new rover scheduled to launch to Mars around September, October later this year. And if it misses that launch window, they're actually going to have to wait until late 2024. You can only launch every 25 months or so. So it literally could affect missions to Mars. Actually, a mission that's already delayed from July 2020 because that was missed due to COVID lockdowns. Roscosmos is no longer launching British or European or American satellites. They are no longer on the space station doing cooperative experiments between Germany and NASA and the US and Russia. So all of this great cooperation we've seen in the past 20 to 30 years is really coming to a grinding halt. Now, hopefully we can overcome this terrible situation, but as people wonder and where are we headed to, how bad can this get, it may actually be headed worse than the Cold War if space is any indication. If you'd like to read more, check out the link below.